When we think about affirming words of healing, we're going to take that idea into meditation today. So if you will prepare yourself by allowing just tension to leave. Imagine that every muscle in your body is relaxing from head to toe. Part of that process of relaxation is speaking to your body, speaking peace, calm, relax, head to toe. And as you take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, with our breath we can also bring in all the natural energy around us and breathe out any tension. We breathe in peace. We breathe out tension. This idea of speaking words of healing to ourselves and to each other. I'd like to imagine that we're standing in front of a mirror. That mirror reflects back to you your beautiful face, your beautiful energy. See yourself in that mirror. And we are going to speak in our hearts to ourselves those loving words. What word do you need to speak to yourself today? Maybe the word you need to speak to yourself is release. Release. Release the past. Release anger. Maybe the word you need to speak to yourself today is peace. Bringing peace. Maybe the word you need to speak today is love. Love, 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 love. Let it echo throughout your heart. Ask Spirit, I am open in this moment to receive the healing word that I need. And as we enter a time where we sit quietly together, allow Spirit to bring you that word of healing. We are open, Spirit. We are open to receive. And as we breathe in, and as we breathe out, we are open to those words, open to Spirit's guidance, open to the healing light from above. And so it is.